こんにちは. In this video, you'll learn the basics of three particles that Japanese speakers use all the time. It's ka, ne, and yo. There are more advanced ways of using these particles, but this video is for the beginning level. I'll quickly explain the basic functions first, and then we'll look at some examples that compare how the sentence meaning changes by using different particles. At the end, we'll look at some short stories to test if you can select the correct particle that fits each situation. Let's look at the basic functions of each particle. We've been using the particle ka, so you probably already know, but ka is used to ask a question. The basic function of ne is to seek agreement or create a sense of agreement or togetherness. It's like saying, isn't it? Or don't you think? In English. You would also use ne to get confirmation, which is just like saying, right? Or is that correct? In English. Yo is used to tell the listener about something that seems to be the new information to the listener. And it's like saying, I'm telling you, or I assure you. Let's see some examples and compare how the sentence meaning changes by using different particles. おいしいです means it's tasty. If you say おいしいですか? It simply means that you want to know if it's tasty. If you say おいしいですね, it sounds like you think it's tasty and you think your friend feels the same way too. And you're creating a sense of togetherness that you both share the same feeling. If you say おいしいですよ, it sounds like you know it's tasty and you're telling your friend that it's tasty because you think your friend doesn't know or doesn't believe it's tasty. これです means it's this one. Let's say your friend is looking for something. If you say これですか, it sounds like you don't know what it is and you're asking if this item is what your friend is looking for. So it simply means, is it this one? If you say これですね, it sounds like you know that this item is what your friend is looking for. So これですね sounds like, here we go, it's this one, right? If you say これですよ, it sounds like you know what it is and you're letting your friend know that this is it. So これですよ sounds like, here, I assure you, what you're looking for is this one. Now let's look at some scenarios and test if you can select the correct particle that fits each situation. In this scenario, Shiro is asking her friend to give her a wake-up call at a certain time, but the phone reception isn't good. Shiro's friend couldn't hear what time she wants the wake-up call, but it sounded something like 1時, 1 o'clock. So he wants to ask her if she said 1 o'clock. What would he say? Would it be 1時ですか? 1時ですね? Or 1時ですよ? In this case, it would be 1時ですか? If you selected 1時ですね, it would be fine too. The slight difference would be 1時ですね sounds like you're pretty sure that she said 1 o'clock and you just want her to confirm. In this case, Shiro's friend couldn't hear what Shiro said and simply wanted to ask if she said 1 o'clock. So I would say 1時ですか? Shiro said, no, it's 8 o'clock. いいえ、8時です. Now Shiro's friend is sure she said 8 o'clock, and he wants her to confirm just to make sure. What would he say? Would it be 8時ですか? 8時ですね? Or 8時ですよ? In this case, it would be 8時ですね? Shiro confirmed and said, yes, that's correct. It's 8 o'clock. はい、そうです。8時です. It's 8 o'clock now. Shiro's friend is going to let her know that it's 8 o'clock. What would he say? Would it be 8時ですか? 8時ですね? Or 8時ですよ? In this case, it would be 8時ですよ. Let's look at the new scenario. Shiro came to a flea market. A shop person wants to tell everyone that his items are all 10 yen. What would he say? Would it be 10 yen desu ka? 10 yen desu ne? Or 10 yen desu yo? In this case, it would be 10 yen desu yo. Shiro heard him say something being 10 yen, but she wasn't sure. She wants to ask and find out if these items are 10 yen. What would she say? Would it be 10 yen desu ka? 10 yen desu ne? Or 10 yen desu yo? In this case, it would be 10 yen desu ka? If you selected 10 yen desu ne, it could be okay. But again, you will sound like you're pretty sure that these hats are 10 yen. If it turns out that you actually misheard him and these are not 10 yen, the shop person may be like, how could she so confident that these are 10 yen? In this case, Shiro couldn't be sure if these are 10 yen. So I would ask if these are 10 yen by saying, 10 yen desu ka? The shop person confirmed and said, yes, it's 10 yen. はい、10円です。Shiro knows that both she and the shop person think that the hat is cute, and she wants to show him that she also thinks the hat is cute. What would she say? Would it be かわいいですか? かわいいですね or かわいいですよ? In this case, it would be かわいいですね. Now Shiro wants to buy the hat and says, then I'll have the hat. じゃあ、その帽子をください. The shop person wants confirmation that Shiro wants this hat. What would he say? Would it be この帽子ですか? この帽子ですね or この帽子ですよ? In this case, it would be この帽子ですね. If you selected この帽子ですか, it would work fine too. You will just sound less sure about which one Shiro wants. Shiro said, yes, that's right. はい、そうです. Shiro bought the hat and the shop person said, ありがとうございます. Today we learned the basic function of the particle か、ね and よ. Thank you for watching. ありがとうございます.